Welcome back YouTube to yet another video. Today we are going to go to the dyno, Church Automotive Testing, and we're going to go ahead and find more power within my Camaro ZL1. As you know, I put in the DSX Flex Fuel kit, and if you guys want to know how we installed that, there was sort of a step-by-step, more so of a homemade video on the whole process. You can click the link up here or maybe down in the description below. All right, so let's pop the hood. So let's recap what just happened. So we installed the Flex Fuel kit. As you can see, it's right here. Hasn't been unlocked yet because it still needs to be tuned. And then we used wiring loom to loom all the way around the supercharger. And then we had it back into, this is where the wiring loom is, into the ECM or PCM. But apart from that, she's looking all clean and ready to go. So let's go ahead and go to Church Automotive Testing and go ahead and get this thing dynoed. But we also have to pick up E85 on the way, so let's go ahead and do that. Without further ado, let's get a cold start. Ready? Woo. Nice. Gonna need this as well, so we can put the E85 inside. There's no more fuel. Let me just wipe it with a towel and it should be a-okay. Well, I can't make this shit up. Apparently the fuel line didn't hold through, and now I'm pulled over on the side of the freeway and fuel was spilling all over the place. Luckily the car wasn't too hot, so nothing, you know, caught fire or anything, but this was really bad. Just trying to like get this part in, but it doesn't want to seem like it wants to clip in, which is weird. But yeah, I'll try fixing it. All right, so that was pretty bad. I snapped it back in place, gave it a really big tug, make sure it's not going anywhere, but it smells like fuel in here. And to top it all off, it is raining. Everything seems okay. Still smells like a gas station in here. Yeah, it's just that fuel line in between the flex sensor and the fuel line to the actual engine that was a no-go. And I don't think we heard a snap yesterday when we were installing it, so that's also a good rule of thumb. Always take it on a drive before, or I mean after, so that way you know everything checks out a-okay. Because had we done that, maybe it would have happened and we would have caught it before having this done on the freeway and sort of having a bit of delay on time. So yeah, always do a test drive. Just like so, we made it to the E85 station. Let's check and see everything's a-okay. You know what's even worse was that the battery was low too, so it wouldn't start, like, because I had the car on technically, like the ignition and everything, so when I was like trying to fix everything, I didn't realize, so then it wouldn't start, so it took like multiple tries to start. Hey, but looks like it stayed on and you're good. I know. Let's double check real quick. Yeah, it like sprayed all over though, but gas is honestly gonna evaporate so fast. Yeah, so I clicked this in, and that was the only thing that was leaking, huh? Yeah, exactly, because I heard a knock and then all of a sudden, you know, fumes were fucking everywhere. But you smell it, right? Yeah. Yeah, it's quite a bit. I lost like on the gauge. On the gauge? Yeah, you noticed it. That's how much fuel there was left. Yeah. No, we definitely should have ran it last night. Like, to be honest. Yeah, we should have. But it's you live and you learn. If we post the video, go back and make sure you have an audible click on that. Yeah. Because it's been our first time. I was pushing, but I just did not know how much. I had to do it with all my force. It was like really fucking hard. Okay, yeah. That makes you feel a little bit better. It was like really these hard. Lines were. Yeah, I didn't know. But now yeah, it's just from right here. That was the culprit. But let me go get some E real quick, and we'll be on our way. First time grabbing this thing. But because I'm not on a full tank, this is probably plenty enough for it. Alright. Huh? Alright, that's it. And now, with the magic of editing, let's go ahead and go to Church Automotive Testing. Oh, with so much traffic, we made it to Church Automotive. Hopefully he's got time for me. being that I'm a little bit late. How's it going, guys? Do you know where Sean's at?
Oh, he's on, are you wherever, 2 o'clock?
Yeah, I'm the 2 o'clock.
Go ahead, put it right there.
Okay, sure. No worries. Look at this sleazy thing. This is nuts. Holy shit. Carbon fenders. Skinnies in the back. Damn. Hey, Sean. Good, how are you? Good to see you. I brought E85. I don't know how much we needed.
Usually 10 to 15 gallons. How much gas do you have in the tank?
Probably about less than half a tank.
We'll see. That won't even get us to E50 then.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because your tank's like 18, 19 gallons.
Yeah.
So if you get E50, you need 1 to 1.
Oh.
So
I think I put in 10 gallons before, and because the fuel line separated, I lost a little bit of gas. That's just due to my poor installment, but sounds good. And just like so, we're gonna remove the tires to put on the hubs for the Dynapack dyno, and then we'll be all set. Crazy. More torque right away, but he didn't do a full run yet.
I was gonna say, because your torque, the torque is at like 686 and your horsepower was 5.9 or 5.8 or 580. So it's making crazy torque.
Yeah. Unless, I don't know, something's going on, but he said everything looks so far so good. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how loud's my car?
11.
Yeah, it's pretty loud. We're gonna video it right here, so that way we can hear the full exhaust. Or maybe should I be behind there? Behind there? That might break the mic, actually. I can't do that. Just about half. It was kind of hard for us to gauge.
we don't want to work our way up, so it's fine.
Okay. Gotcha.
We were up to about 30%, and then when I hit it and it flushed the gas through the DSX side, it dropped down to about 18, so it went come back down.
Oh, okay. Got you. Still showing a low ethanol content, or? Okay. All right, so we dumped the rest of the E85 in, about 5.5 gallons inside. So let's see what happens. I think as of right now, we're gonna circulate the E85 and see what content we get. And if we need more, we're gonna go pick some up as well. Oh my God. was E50?
50 up top, yeah.
No way. That's great. Do you think we can hit the 800 mark? Or?
Probably a little more time.
Oh, okay. So from 720 to 770 just on E50?
I made some timing changes.
Oh, okay. Yeah. That's crazy. 772.
Torque's going to go even higher because it only started at E30.
Oh, right. Wow.
We're at E49, E50 right now, so
Oh, we're good? So what other changes can we do, or is there not much anymore?
more ignition timing most likely, yeah. And then we'll see how much fueling we have left. So we don't want to push the fuel system past the edge. So.
Oh, right. Yeah, exactly. Sean said we're gonna add a little bit more of timing just to see if we gain any numbers, any more at least, and then yeah, just go from there. Okay, so if I put like 6 gallons of 91, I put 6 gallons of E. Okay, got that. Or if I want to go straight 91, then it's calibrated to do so. Okay.
You don't even run above that, but once you go above E50, we're gonna start pulling timing back so that you don't have to worry about having misfire issues.
Oh.
So once you go above E50, you're gonna start to drop power a little bit. So.
Oh, I see.
So we want to keep that low side above 70 psi.
Okay.
To keep the pump filled as best possible.
So is the low side working properly?
It's working, but it can only do so much. So
right.
I have 3 pumps on my car.
Oh, really?
I have 2 intake and 1 external low side. So.
Oh my God.
That's for almost 900 horsepower. So.
Oh yeah, your car's crazy.
So, but I'm saying you need a lot of pumps to move a lot of that though, right?
Yeah,
and
exactly.
we also look at our injector, so 6.5 where our limits at pretty much. 6.7 over C5.9.
Yeah.
5.8. So if you're back at E50 right now, it'd be like 6.1. 6.2
yeah.
With the intake on it, it'd be like 6.2, 6.3. So we're right there.
Yeah.
Anything more is going to require a lot of fuel system expense.
Right,
so
right.
That 800 horsepower level is about as high as we're going to go with that. And spend a lot more.
Yeah, that's ultimately what my goal was.
Yeah.
In that case, is there do I have to go for like oil catch can and some incentives?
I would always recommend you have a catch can.
Yeah, just
so. And then future options might be if you wanted to do more, you could run a meth injection setup.
Cool. I heard bad things about meth though.
Yeah, it's like port injection's better, but that's a lot more expensive.
Right.
You set up a meth kit for $1,000. Port injection's gonna cost you 6 or 7.
Yeah, exactly.
So, but I mean, we can do 900 up with a meth kit on it. Oof. But if the meth ever dies, you gotta know if it's not flowing. You gotta have a wide band reduce sensor up here.
Oh, okay.
You're watching it on the boost, you gotta have an indicator for your methane. You gotta have all that shit so you know if anything happens to your meth, you shut it down, right? So if the meth goes out, you can blow the motor.
Oh, because it runs too lean?
Yeah, because if we run meth, we're gonna run full 85 with meth.
Oh.
If the meth goes out, it's gonna go too lean.
So Sean, how much more power on E50 do you think it would pick up? Like an extra 10 or something? 10, 20?
I'm guessing when you run the new intake and we get it right to E50 or so, we're going to be probably in the range of 810 to 820.
Okay.
Probably about 800 horse.
I'll make sure to bring more ethanol next time.
Well, basically when you come in next time, literally just try to get it as close to 50% as possible.
Oh, okay.
If you have something sensitive, if you plug into it with scan tool
yeah.
or something like that, just get right around 50, 48, 49, whatever.
Okay.
Get close to it, and then we'll know we're right there. Yeah, it runs good though. Pulls all the way out, all the way to red line.
Damn.
That right there, that kind of, your car is probably 10-15% lighter than my car. You're a similar power to weight as my car.
Right.
So that's a good. If you had traction, it's a 9-second car.
Yeah. Oh shit.
you should be trapping at a quarter mile like 135 to 138.
Yeah.
60 to 130, high fives.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Damn, we're over there.
6.0 and then quarter.
Yeah. Oh shit. Damn. So that's the final result, people. 787 just on E85 mix. Or E50 mix, sorry. Well, that's kind of crazy just with fuel. $150 part but gets you that extra horsepower. Hey Sean, thank you so much for everything.
You're welcome.
All the clarification. I really appreciate it. I'm glad she's running good though. It kind of scared me that my friends were like, hey, there's a bunch of A's going out.
No cats, first of all, is going to show more hay. Like, you'll see a stock and a car when you hit it, do a puff of black smoke, right?
Right.
So, and then we got to run it rich enough to keep it safe. On 91 means you're going to have some extra fuel in there. So,
right.
As soon as we go to the E85 now, it burns cleaner and we're running less of it. We leaned it out by like 7-8% on the E85. So,
we did.
So even though we're burning more of our fuel, we're running a leaner mixture.
Oh, I see. And I bet that grip tech pulley kind of helped too, huh?
Yeah. You post this stuff on Instagram, right?
On YouTube.
On YouTube.
And
okay.
Sometimes on Instagram too.
If you do Instagram, tag me on it so I can put it on mine too.
Yeah, of course. Heck yeah.
Do a quick photo.
No, that's crazy. That's so good. The man, Charge Church. Yeah, that rotofab is gonna be. This intake is kind of small for.
Yeah, I mean, probably not a huge deal, but hey, 10 horsepower is 10 horsepower, right?
Right.
So, 10 from the rotofab, 10 to 20 from the ethanol, and you're up easily in the 8s all the time. So
Holy shit.
And believe me.
All right, so those were good runs. Yeah, that was absolutely crazy. 787 wheel horsepower and 772 foot-pounds of torque. That's actually crazy. Big thanks to Sean, Church Automotive Testing. I'm in the car right now because it started to rain again, so yeah, just gonna go ahead, drive the car home safely back to the house, and yeah, just park her until the next drive or whenever I take her out next. All right, we're at the next day. Right now it's completely sunny. Yesterday was just absolutely terrible, so we couldn't really go on a drive. So now this is our first reaction. I have my brother with me on the new setup, so maybe we'll feel the difference, or maybe it'll feel the same. I don't know, who knows? Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. The car just absolutely feels insane now. I'm pretty happy with the power levels, and I think we're gonna stop right here. We have a rotofab intake coming, so I want to see what difference an intake does to this particular car as well, but stay tuned for that. I hope it... Oh, someone got pulled over. Damn. Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for the support. If you guys can hit that like button and subscribe, I really appreciate it. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.